Hey, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining. I'm gonna be showing you guys something I haven't shown you in a while. Now, I'm gonna make gnocchi. This is a pasta, it's a type of pasta. We've got, of course, the water, the 2 eggs, flour, salt, butter. That's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spice this thing up with something really cool that we're releasing. Now what I've got right here is this awesome truffle blend called Black Gold by my buddy Matt at Sasquatch Barbecue. He got together with Spiceology once again and created this masterpiece. I'm gonna go ahead and fold it into the dough and we're gonna make a really cool looking pasta. Okay, so I've got everything already measured out, ready to go. I have this weighed out in grams. I want to tell you why though. This is really cool. You could go ahead and take your scale, take your pot, and then you just drop everything in. If you don't have this, I also put it in cups, but if you want to go exact, get a scale. Okay, so we just got the water in there, a pinch of salt, and of course the butter. Okay, now pot, it's up to a simmer. I'm gonna go ahead and take the flour, lower the heat to medium so I don't burn it. I'm gonna toss that flour right on in there. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add in the couple of tablespoons of this Black Gold. If you don't have it, that's totally fine. It just adds a really nice flavor. And you wanna just take a wood spoon like this and we're gonna mix it up. Mix it up really well while it's on the heat, stirring constantly so it doesn't burn. You wanna bring this together. What we're doing here is we're making something called pot au choux. Oh my God, it smells so good. That truffle in there, amazing. Take your bowl. If you don't have a stand mixer, it's totally fine. You can do this by hand, but it's gonna be a real pain, trust me. So get a mixer, toss that in. Now we're just gonna add in the egg one at a time while it's mixing. Once you got it all together, go ahead and take it out. Put it into a piping bag, just like this right here. Plastic piping bag, and then we're just gonna go ahead and snip the tip to whatever thickness we want. I'm gonna just go ahead and like right here. And then we're gonna go ahead and pipe it into some pasta water that's been salted like the freaking ocean. Have it going at a simmer. I don't want it to be at a rolling boil because then that's gonna like just break the pasta apart. So I have the piping bag already snipped, and then I have a little offset spatula like this. You can use a butter knife, that's all good. These are just the best to use. So you're gonna just go ahead and get the bag, wrap it up tightly so it starts coming out easier. Good on your wrists. Just set it on the side of the pan and then just, there you go. Just give it a little cut and it should just pop right off. And you'll get better at this over time. Obviously I can do this way faster because I used to do this at work all the time. You can use scissors if that's easier for you. I just find that this is much faster and easier for myself. So once you've got them in there, you want to just go ahead and keep giving them a little stir and some agitation so they don't stick. And then once they float, give it about a minute or two so they can cook all the way. Then we're going to pull it out and then we're going to throw it onto a sheet tray with parchment that's lined with some olive oil, and then we're just going to toss it around in that. And then you can refrigerate this for a week or so. So you can hold it in the fridge for about a week and you can make it anytime you want. Now I'm gonna go ahead and throw in some button shrooms because this pasta has like a nice truffly taste, so I think this would be a really nice addition to the pasta. So I'm just gonna saute them into the pasta. Now all I did was I sauteed the mushrooms, browned them up a bit, then I added in the gnocchi with canola oil. Then once that browned up a bit as well, get a nice sear on your pasta. You wanna add in a spat of butter and then some thyme. That's gonna add in a really nice herbal taste. Now this is it, this is good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and plate it up on some ricotta. Just some plain old ricotta, anything will do. That's gonna go down on the plate, then the pasta will go on top of that. And then I'm just gonna shave some of that cured egg yolk from one of my last videos. The link will be down below. It's really simple to make, and this is gonna be very delicious on top. Okay, now that is a nice looking dish. Of course, we're gonna finish it with some flaky salt at the end, but there you have it. We've got a Black Gold gnocchi on top of this whipped ricotta with some button mushrooms and some shaved cured egg yolk. Super delicious. Go ahead and try this one out. The pasta is a really easy recipe. You can make this with just the ingredients you saw, the flour, the water, the butter. You're good to go. So let me know what you think. Drop a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Go support my friend Matt. Get yourself some black gold in Spiceology, and subscribe if you're new here. We'll see you in the next one.